Hello everyone, welcome to today's new release videos. I hope my audio is fixed. I feel like in my last video where I talked live, it sounded a little weird and I'm not sure what happened because it seems like my mic's working, but it sounded like it was picking up the audio from the camera. So not sure what happened there, but I am super excited. Obviously, I'm sure y'all are too for this week's new releases. This is the premiere of the new format and I am so excited to show you what I have come up with. There are 4 new kits this week and I am just ready to jump in. Also, the mystery labels were printed yesterday when you're seeing this, and the reveal will be up on Wednesday, and that mystery, y'all, you don't even know what's coming. So first things first, this is a sheet I'm adding, and I'm doing this as a tester. So in the past, I have always released these marble kit stickers, and I've gotten a lot of requests to make them smaller since they are mostly a throwaway item. So you put them on your sticker kit storage, and then when the week's over, you can take them off or just put on top of them. So I wanted to do a smaller option, a smaller version, kind of switch to the smaller one, because then it would be, you know, more affordable to have them tinier, as like I said, they are a throwaway item. So here is September 26th through February 5th, and this would be 2022 to 2023. So all of those dates, and it goes, it goes that way, like left to right. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, but I think that, you know, this is definitely a more affordable option because you're able to fit a lot more on the sheet, and then the sheet price will actually be cheaper because it's a smaller sheet size. So that is the first release. Then let's go on to the color of the week. And this week's a really pretty pink, perfect for summer. And this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern till Monday. And then it won't be available any longer. But it has the same normal sheets here. And then this week there is actually an additional sheet 9 since we had enough to fill up another sheet. So I love this sheet. And basically these do kind of like coordinate in order, besides the first page, in order of the sheet. So like these would be more towards the 100s, 200s, 300s, and so forth. So that is the new sheet, sheet 9, and it will come in all future colors. There is 10 new doodles this week. So the first one here is an Arby's bag, a Cane's bag, I don't know that, Cane's, Chipotle, some princess crowns, some purses in both a pastel colorway and then a classic colorway, wine glasses in the pastel colorway and a classic colorway, and then these Bow laptops, which is very reminiscent to the old Bow laptops that we used to have, and the pastel colorway. And this colorway is like an inverted with the gray laptop, and then having the Bow be the pastel color. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. Then we'll show you the foil bundle, which is a really pretty, it's like almost like a periwinkle blue kind of color. I'm gonna call it periwinkle, I think, unless y'all have a better name option, but it's so pretty. It's like in between a purple and a blue, leaning more towards the blue, cool toned foil, and it is in the celestial format. This is gorgeous. This is actually really pretty with meadow, I think. It's almost the exact same color of blue, like pretty close. This one's a little bit more maybe yellow toned a little bit, but I think they would go really well together. So this is the first page here. So you have the 6 full boxes and the header overlays, 2 of those. You have the 2 bougie box page, the script and icons, and then the bottom washi. And I just love this foil color. I definitely will have to do more designs in the future, but love this and definitely can't wait to pair it with a kit. I have been basically almost using foil bundles exclusively, I feel like, and have been loving every second of it. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video, and that is the new format. It's not, I don't think it's, every page is a little bit different, but I don't think it's wildly different. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna show you with the Meadow kit, but there are 3 other kits. So I'm gonna show you the ultimate kit, the mini kit, all of the extras, and then I'm gonna show you what the mystery kit extras will look like. This won't be a spoiler to any mystery because I did use a collection that's already come out whenever I was formatting it. So I do have like examples, very loose examples to show you of what those pages in the mystery, like the extra pages will look like, in case you're wondering. But that won't take place until like, I think July, and then August is in the old format, and then September will be in the new format. So it's quite a while because we do have those pre-printed. But like I said, I don't think the format's like that different. You'll see. So first here, this is Meadow, and this is gorgeous spring, summer art. Definitely has like a transition vibe, but I think you can use anytime, really. It's really, really gorgeous. I love the colors, especially the pop of yellow, because I feel like yellow is sometimes neglected in sticker kits, so I really love that in here with the rest of the colors. So nothing has really changed on the full box page. I don't even know what order Kirsten put these in, because she does have like an order she likes, so this is a little different. So you have your deco here and your weekend banner, and then over here you have the 3-heart checklist. And I don't actually remember what was on this page. I have, I think, like 20, maybe even more collections done in the new format, like somewhere around there. So I don't even remember what the old one looks like, let's be real. So I don't remember. Work labels, I think, but I did do a lot of polling. So these are the 3-heart checklist labels, and then you have the weekly labels and the flags on the bottom. And then this page here has changed up a little bit. So you have the glitter headers. I did change the glitter texture, which I did show. I did use this glitter in a kit that I released a couple of weeks ago, and everyone seemed to really like it. You have the habit trackers, the movie marquees, and then I minimized the like deco bits and made the ones that I saw people using the most. You have the 2 full boxes here, which means that the 2 full boxes will also come in the mini kit, which I know a lot of mini kit users are really excited about. And like, look at that food flat leg, come on. And then this page here has your half boxes, and these are the rounded ones. So you have the rounded half box, and then there is a size that's a little bit smaller than the rounded half boxes were prior. And then a size that is basically, if you took these and then divided by 2, that would be the size. So an in-between size with the pattern. And then you have your square boxes on top. And then this new size here, I had this like space in the middle, and I thought that these would be really cute. They are about the same height as a doodle from my shop. All of my doodles are about the same height. And I thought this would be a really cool new box to try out. I feel like these were like definitely something different whenever I came out with them. And I think this is going to be the same way. Once you use it though, you're really going to love it, especially paired with, hold on, like I said, a doodle right with it. It's going to look so stinking cute. So those are like new boxes, and these are kind of like new box sizes. This is the little things page. So you have your solid and pattern little things, the same amount as there was in the kit before. And then these were well loved, and I didn't even realize it till I did polling, and they're like kind of like big little things. So I went ahead and added extras of those. They're just a little bit bigger than little things, so nothing crazy. They're not as big as a fancy label and not as small as a little thing. Then these are the 2 new pattern and solid page. You can see it best on the solid page. So you have the 2 fancy labels, you have the half box, and then the 3rd box, and then a box that is a little bit smaller. So these are like kind of new sizes, and then just the 1 washi strip on the bottom. So that is the solid page, and then the pattern page is exactly the same, just with the patterns overlaid. And then the bottom washi page, there is the new split washi, which did win very highly in the polling. So this would normally be solid and pattern, but I thought this one would look really cool with 2 patterns. And then I did change up the like paint swoosh in the background here. It's very similar to the old one, it's just a little bit cleaner, and I did add a little bit of glitter, and sometimes I will be doing like colors on here, and sometimes they will be the pattern. It'll just kind of depend on the pattern and like what I think looks best. And then there is the extra box there as well. And then this one here has this freebie, which is the extra color freebie, and there are different freebies for different kits depending on however I did it prior. So they will be the same in both the mini and the ultimate kit. So let's go through the ultimate kit. But I am so excited. I hope that y'all love it. I am very excited. But as you can see, it's not wildly different at all. It's just kind of like a spruce up. It's not even really a reformat in my eyes. So you have the full boxes here. This is the mini kit. You have the deco page, which is the same. You have this page here, which has your extra full boxes, glitter headers, which is the same. This is the mini kit page. So you have some patterned little things, some solid little things. You have the 3rd box, the mid-size, and the fancy label. And then you have your extra full box, the split washi, and the date covers, as well as the extra in both the mini and ultimate kit. So that one is the extra color freebie. So that is the new format. Like I said, I don't really think it's that wild of a change. It's just kind of like took a couple of things out, got to add a couple of different like box sizes and things like that. And I think it turned out really, really nice. So those are the formats. And I feel like the extras are actually just as exciting as the kit itself, because I did add some new options. So first things first, you do have a label sampler, which I did change up a bit, and it is on all these extras are on the same size sheet, which I really love. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and it's gonna be nicer to be able to slip these in the back, because I know the long ones kind of got a little bit like, if you didn't have them in perfectly, they'd stick out in the bottom. So this is the label sampler. So you have those like big little things, a half box, and then a fancy label. And then there is also fashion options for this. And also on the extras, I will have the kit name on there. And then for fashion options, there's 2 for this one. So this is fashion option 1, fashion option 2. Then the new add-ons, we have the ombre heart checklists. So if you wanted to do like the old style look, the way that, I don't know, I think of it as how I used to plan like 4 years ago with the ombre heart checklist. You could buy 2 of these and then you have all 8. Or if you wanted to use these like on the sidebar, you can totally purchase these as an add-on now. And I know a lot of people love ombre heart checklist still. And then there's this, which is also quite functional, which has the 8 heart checklist and then a bunch of icons. And these have the Once More with Love doodles on them. And I thought that that was really cute. And especially if you're using the icons, like the white, black, or foiled ones with Once More with Love, they would match really well. And I love this sizing for like on little things and things like that. That's another add-on. And then last but not least, I also wanted to add on a doodle add-on. So these doodles will stay the same, but the colors will change and they match perfectly to the kit. So this one here has the 5 colors. So not only does it have these 4, but since there was a 5th color, and sometimes if there's like a 5th color and I don't even have it as an add-on, but it's very prominent, I will have it on here as well, or it might have just 4 colors. So that is the new format. I feel like I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear what y'all think about it. I know that reformats are always a little hard. We all like to kind of stay in our ways, but I'm very excited because I feel like I keep saying, that I don't think that this one's that wild of a change. I think it's just kind of like a spruce up with additional add-ons, which I'm really excited about. So those are the changes. And let me show you real quick before I forget the mystery kit pages. So the mystery kit, if you are subscribed or if you watch those, the mini kit comes with the mini kit itself, and then it comes with 1 extra page, and this will be what the page looks like, not in this colorway. This is actually the Peeps colorway. So it has the extra color, essentially the label sampler, and then 2 ombre heart checklists. And then the ultimate kit will come with the doodles, the ombre heart checklist, the extra color, and then this page here would be fashion or extra boxes. Kind of could be a mix of a bunch. So there'd be 6 full boxes, and then this one here is a tall box. So those are kind of examples of what the mystery extras would look like. Obviously not in that colorway or those patterns or anything. I just, when formatting them, used the Peeps collection. That is everything for the new format. Let's get into the other kits. There are 3 more. I feel like they all have very different vibes too, which is super cool. This one is called Kitty, which is a cat themed set. It's super cute. I love the colors. I think that the pink with the nudes is really nice with the marble in the background. 2 fashion options there. You have your scene and flat lays. I love this like kitty. What is this called? Like a squishmallow? It's super cute. Squishamallow? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Love these colors. I just think it's so pretty. And your extra boxes here. You're getting to see kind of like more of an example of like what this looks like in different colors too. I just am obsessed with these. I cannot wait to use these. Oh, so nice. And I can't wait to just use this format in general. So, and these new box sizes are so nice. And I love the split bottom washi. I don't ever have to cut bottom washi again. And then the extra box there. And then the extra color is the freebie in this one, which has the gray with the really pretty animal print. And I love this bottom washi. It's just such a good combo. I feel like this one, well, I didn't even talk about like foil. This one I think would look really nice with the like periwinkle color that's coming out, or a hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow, mixed metal hollow, and sparkly hollow. I think it also look really pretty with silver. Those would be my top options. And then this one here, I think would look really nice with matte bronze. It would look nice with silver, gold, gold and silver, mixed metal, black, rose would be really nice with this one. I think that'd be really pretty. Or silver. So those would be my top options for this kit. It does also come in a mini kit. Let me flip through this one too so you guys can kind of get a little bit of a vibe. You have your full boxes, the deco page, the glitter headers with the extra boxes, the mini kit page here, and then the bottom washi. I did want to mention that I know a lot of mini kit users didn't want as many half boxes, so that's kind of why I have them on the label sampler. And then these are the smaller box sizes. Then you got like more of a variety anyways, so super pretty. Also, this one might look really pretty with champagne lights as well. I think that would pop against the neutral colors. I don't remember if I said that already. I might have. Who knows? Or matte bronze. I might have said that. I don't remember, but I just want to throw it out there. Then we also have the Dark Shines kit, which was probably one of the most, I feel like, sent to me arts in a while, asking me to use it. Such a fun, pretty, like, I don't know, just like kind of edgy vibe, moody, I guess would also be the term. I just think it turned out so pretty. You have the marble in there, the very neutral colors. It's all just very a vibe, and I love all the fashion options. Kept the colorway very neutral. It's just so pretty. I love the glitter headers. Again, I love looking at the kits in the new format. I just feel like it's just so fun. I love these patterns. The bottom washi, you have the marble, and then this like constellation, the extra box, which I thought would look perfect with a quote on it. And then for the freebie and the ultimate and the mini, you do have these like manicured hands, which are super cute. So that is Dark Shines. Really nice, moody, trendy, dark kit. Also does come in a mini kit. Oh, I didn't even show you. I'll show you the kitty add-ons in a second. I'm so out of the loop here. So you have the doodle if you want to add it on, the fashion option if you want to add it on, the label sampler if you want to add it on, the heart checklist, and then the ombre heart checklist. So that is Dark Shines. And let me show you the kitty add-ons real quick. I am losing it. There is the doodles, the heart checklist, the fashion, the label, and the ombre heart checklist for kitty. And then last but not least is spring cleaning. I love the tall box. This one is so cute. So this one is a really nice, I love the tones of this because it's not quite pastel and not quite bright. It's just like a muted pastel, like a muted dark pastel. Is that even a thing? I'm not sure. Love this, love the lighting in the pictures, and I love cleaning right now. I have been kind of in a cleaning mood. I think it's just like the season. So stinking cute. I just love this, and the colors are just so fun. A little bit different and something kind of, you know, anytime. I don't think it reads like I can only use this in spring. You could use this anytime you're really having a fun time cleaning. Your extra full box there, and then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is the tall box, and it has like a plant, the spin brush, and then the vacuum cleaner. So that is spring cleaning. It does also come in a mini kit, and then let me show y'all all of the add-ons for this one. So there is the doodle add-on, there is the label sampler add-on, the heart checklist, ombre heart checklist, and then the fashion add-on. That, my friends, is everything for this week. I am so excited to finally be showing y'all the new format and see what y'all have to think. I wanted to say thank you for everybody who gave me feedback whenever I did the polling or even just voted on the polling. It was definitely a huge help. And with any reformat, I always am looking at what everyone's using and tagging me in spreads and things like that as well. So that is everything for this week. We have the 4 new kits here. We have the new foil bundle, which is the celestial like periwinkle color. We have 481 through 490 doodles, the color of the week in this gorgeous pink, and then the weekly labels for kit organization. So that is everything. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. Again, mystery reveal will be up on Wednesday, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.